Good morning, students. Today we will start a new lesson of computer, that is networking. So let's start learning with the basic of networking. Students, have you ever observed the computers in the computer lab? They are linked. Have you thought why they are linked? Because this kind of linking allows the computer to share information electronically, and it also allows the computer to share hardware and software resources. This is a network of computer. Now we will see the definition of computer network. So what is computer network? What is computer network? We can say that a computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other computing device linked together through a communication channel for communicating and sharing information. So we can say that a computer network can be defined as a group of computers. Means a group of computers and other computing device linked together through a communication channel for communicating and sharing information. This is known as computer network. So in a network where computing devices are connected using different communication medias. This communication media can be physical or wire, that is wire and cables, or maybe wireless. So nowadays most homes have Wi-Fi connections to connect their phones, computer, laptops and tablets, etc. Now we will see the types of network. So there are many types of network, but we categorize them by their size and purpose. So first we will look the types of network based on their size. Types of network based on size. The first one is LAN, that is local area network. Second one is MAN, that is metropolitan area network. Third one is WAN, wide area network. So these are the networks, types of networks based on size. So first we will describe local area network. So what is local area network? Local area network is a computer network that covers a short distance. As the name has suggested, local area network. It has covers a short distance within a building, and local area network is managed and controlled by a single person or organization. For example of local area network is computer network in a school, offices and colleges. Now the second one is metropolitan area network. So what is metropolitan area network? Metropolitan area network is a computer network that spans area larger than local area network. It spans area larger than local area network, such as a city. Okay, and this is means metropolitan area network is operated and owned by a single entity, such as a government body and large corporation. The example of metropolitan area network is cable television network. So okay, now the third example of the third type of network based on size is wide area network. That is WAN. We can write WAN instead of wide area network. WAN is the short form of wide area network. So WAN is a computer network. WAN is a computer network of small networks such as MANs and LANs. They are connected together. So there is no single administrator to control WANs. So publicly they are owned. Example of wide area network is internet. Internet is the example of wide area network. Now we will see the types of network based on purpose. We have described types of network based on size. Now we will describe right now network based on their purpose. Types of network based on purpose. So the first one is SAN, that is storage area network. Storage area network. The second one is EPN, that is enterprise private network. And the third one is VPN, that is virtual private network. So these three are the example of network based on purpose. So the first one is storage area network. So what is storage area network? Storage area network is mostly used in business network to connect multiple servers, and enterprise private network. Enterprise private network is a computer network that connects offices of a business such as shops, offices of a companies, and virtual private network. Virtual private network is a network that facilitates user to log into in a network and access its resources. So the first one is storage area network. Storage area network is a network mostly used in business. Business network to connect multiple servers. It provides, and it also provides the high speed. It provides a high speed access to the storage device and it can share data very easily or very fast. The second one is, as I told, EPN, that is Enterprise Private Network. It's a network, it's a computer network that connects offices such as shop, offices of a company business, of a business company, in a secure way, so they can share, means it connects the shops, offices in a secure way, so they can share their data very securely. And the third one is virtual private network. It is very similar to EPN. It connects the user and they can log into it remotely and access its resources. Yes, students, so now we finish this chapter here, and I will just give you some assignment after this video. Thank you.